Hi, I'm Stacy with Gemplers product support team. In this video, we'll go over how to disassemble and repair a Solo Diaphragm Pump sprayer using the repair kit. Before you begin, be sure to wear any personal protective equipment required by the pesticide label, such as gloves and goggles. The sprayer should also be flushed with water and pressure should be released. Then, lock the shutoff valve in the open position prior to starting the disassembly. To disassemble the pump, we're going to first remove the handle by using a 13mm socket wrench to remove the handle bolts. Once the handle is removed, loosen the screw securing the hose clamp with a flathead screwdriver or Allen wrench. Then remove the sprayer hose. Now you will remove the bolts on both connecting arms using a 6mm Allen wrench. Now we'll remove the stop plate using our socket wrench. And then remove the pump shaft. Then, use a flathead screwdriver to remove the screw on the retaining ring on the bottom of the pressure cylinder. You can then remove the retaining ring. With the retaining ring out, set the sprayer upright. Then, unscrew the tank lid and remove the filter basket. If your sprayer has a pressure control knob, remove that as well. With those out, push down in the pressure cylinder so that about a ½ inch of it is out of the bottom of the tank. Then turn the pump 180 degrees. Now you'll remove the 12 Torx screws holding the pump together with a flathead or T25 Torx screwdriver. After those have been taken out, push down in the pressure cylinder to remove it through the bottom of the tank. If it won't come out, use a block of wood and mallet to tap it out. Be sure to place a rag or shop towel between the block of wood and the pressure cylinder. The next step is to remove the screw that holds the diaphragm to the connecting rod using a screwdriver. You can then replace the diaphragm and reattach it to the connecting rod. We'll now remove the valve assembly using a special tool from Solo or one that you fabricate on your own. First, remove the red pin holding in the bottom valve plate. This can be done with needle nose pliers. Then, insert the tool into the slots and turn it counterclockwise to remove it. Replace the O-ring and top valve plate. Then push the pin back in to replace the bottom valve plate. After the pin is back in place, pull the pump housing off the pressure cylinder and replace the O-ring. Lubricate it with petroleum jelly or Solo Superior grease. Then replace the O-ring and the pressure cylinder. Here you will reattach the pump housing to the pressure cylinder. Be sure that the square tab on the pump housing is aligned in the notch. Now you should lubricate the O-ring on the valve assembly and screw it back into the pressure cylinder. Then lubricate the O-ring on the pressure cylinder and push it back into the tank. The diaphragm assembly will now go back into the pump housing. Reinstall the flange using the 12 Torx screws. Then reattach the retaining ring at the base of the pressure cylinder and tighten the screw. The next step is to put the pump shaft back in and tighten the bolts for each connecting arm. Then tighten the bolts that attach the lever and stop plate. Once all the bolts are tightened, replace the hose and tighten the hose clamp and you've reassembled your Solo Diaphragm Pump sprayer. Before spraying any chemicals, be sure to test the sprayer with water and check for leaks. If there are any leaks, repair them and test the sprayer again. Thanks for watching. Contact us if you have any questions about this or any Gemplers products. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more how-to videos like this, and be sure to let us know if you have any ideas for future video topics.